What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on ICP because once again this coin is forming a really interesting trading setup, and also we had here a pretty crazy pump for the past couple of days. So in this video I will show you all the setups that I'm currently watching on this coin for some potential trading positions, and also I will give you some price prediction for this coin for this bull market. So if you are interested in that, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you if you like my videos and you like my analysis. I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the daily time frame. You can see that this bullish order block, which is between levels 10.85 and 9.55, which I talked about in last ICP analysis, is working really well as a support. Also, right now we broke this previous important resistance, which is between levels 15.43 and 15.06, and right now there is pretty high probability that we will have here a support confirmation, which can actually give us a first opportunity to open here a long trade. Don't forget that the support confirmation here needs to be really perfect. So I simply want to see here, let's say something like this, and in case of a support confirmation, here can be a good opportunity to open here a long trade. And I want this support confirmation to be perfect because of the risk reward ratio, because if we will do, for example, support confirmation somewhere around here and the entry will be, for example, there, then simply the risk reward ratio to this next bearish order block, which will be like an important psychological and also important like resistance on this higher time frame, the risk reward ratio won't be that good. So yeah, that's why I want to see this. And these are last take profit targets. You can either use, let's say, area under this bearish order block. This bearish order block is between levels 23.49 and 20.74, or you can place it above this order block and under this only take some of the profits, because in my opinion there is pretty high probability that if there will be breakout and let's say some confirmation in this bearish order block, then there is pretty high probability that we will just swipe the liquidity above and then the market can reverse. So yeah, that's why I want to place my last TP above this area. And in this case, you can have your risk reward ratio 11.83. And if we will take, for example, some of the profits somewhere around here, then some of the profits under this bearish order block, and then, for example, some of the profits, let's say, above this bearish order block, then there is pretty high probability that this trade will be successful, and also that the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 8.5, which is, in my opinion, really good for a trade on the daily time frame. So yeah, that's the first potential scenario that I'm currently watching on this coin. Another important thing that I want to say is that above this order block, we historically don't have here that much liquidity. You can also see that something similar happened here, because, for example, this was like an important resistance area, and once there was a breakout, we were in the area where historically, again, we have really low liquidity. So for the price, it wasn't that big of a deal to do, let's say, bigger moves. And I think something similar can happen in case of a breakout and support confirmation here. So actually, if we will see here, for example, something like this, I think that this can be another good opportunity to open here a long trade. Stop loss in this case will be much safer, because we are looking for something around like 13.5%, which is, yeah, kinda safe. And your last take profit targets you can place either under this previous high, which will be like a first important resistance, but this will give you risk reward ratio only 3.35. But if you will take, let's say, only one take profit target, I think this can be also like a decent trade. But me personally, I would rather only take here at least like some of the profits, and then move my last TP under these previous highs, because this will be like, again, next important psychological resistance. And also in this area you can see that we are starting to having here like more liquidity, and in this let's say second take profit target, we have a risk reward ratio, let's say, around 10 again, which is, yeah, my really favorite risk reward ratio if I'm speculating for setups like this. But again, as I said, take multiple take profit targets. Definitely some of the profits take under these highs. You can also take some of the profit on the lower levels, then, for example, some of the profits under like these lows, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around around 7, 8, something like that, which is in my opinion really good. So yeah, that's another potential setup that I'm currently watching here. But keep in mind that this trade is definitely long term, and this move will probably take at least like few months until we will get here. So yeah, just be prepared for it. And if you are, for example, looking for some trade on the lower time frame, I'm also watching here this bullish order block, which is between levels 11.55 and 10.71. So in case of a big drop, I think that this area can be a really good opportunity to open here a long trade, because we already took the liquidity under this area here. So we don't have to wait here for that breakdown, fake out, and then again support confirmation. And also, if we will test this area, we will take all of the important liquidity under these previous lows. So yeah, the exact trade from this support and from this order block can look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case you can place just under, and the last take profit target, well, more depend on the risk reward ratio that you want to have. Either you can place it like under like these previous highs, which will give you risk reward ratio like 5.35, which is like really good if you will take one take profit target, or you can as always speculate on the higher levels, but then keep in mind that you need to take multiple take profit targets. But the take profit targets can be quite similar, like for example on the trade that I showed you on that daily time frame. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all for me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.